example in which fractions are like. Okay, for that you need to only, if the addition of like fraction is given, then what you need to do? Only perform the addition of numerator, denominator remain as it is. Then we learn subtraction of like fraction. In that you need to only subtract the numerator. Why? Because denominator is same. Now today we will start the addition and subtraction of unlike fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, so let's take some example to understand. So here first, 2 by 3 plus 1 by 5. Whenever unlike fraction are given. Now what is unlike fraction? If the denominator are different. If the denominator are different, then it is called unlike fraction. Here you need to make unlike fraction to the like fraction by taking LCM. Okay, so here you can see the denominator is 3 and here denominator is 5. So first of all we need to take LCM of 3 and 5 and make the denominator same, that is equal to LCM. So let's take LCM of 3 and 5. I hope you know how to find the LCM. So here LCM is what? 50. LCM is 50. Now you need to make a denominator equal to LCM. So let's make 2 by 3 with denominator 15. So if what we need to multiply with 3 to make denominator 15? Here we need to multiply 3 with 5. So let's multiply. It is 2 by 3 multiply 5 and 5. So we will get 10 by 15. Now 1 by 5. So here 1 by 5 is multiplied with what? To get 15 in a denominator. 5 is multiplied with 3. So here we multiply 5 with 3. So we will get 3 by 50. 3 ones are 3, 5 3s are 50. Whatever number we multiply in a new denominator, same number we multiply in a numerator. Now we have this 10 by 15 and 3 by 15 equivalent fraction. So we can write 10 by 15 plus 3 by 15 is equal to 13 by 50. So this will be our answer. Clear? Now next, 1 by 8 plus 1 by 6. Again, take the LCM of 8 and 6 to make denominator same. Let's take LCM of 8 and 6. First of all, we start with 2. Then again with 2. 1, 3. So here LCM will be 24. Now we need to make a denominator is equal to 24. So now 1 by 8 is here. So by which number we should multiply 8 to get 24? Here we should multiply with 3. So same number in the numerator. So we will get 3 by 24. Now 1 by 6. By which number we should multiply to get 24? Here we should multiply with 4. So 4 by 24. Now we have 3 by 24, 4 by 24, that are equivalent fraction of 1 by 8 and 1 by 6. So we add equivalent fraction. So here it is 7 by 24. This is our answer. Clear? Now your next one, 2 1 by 3 plus 1 1 by 4. So first of all, make this mixed fraction to the unlike, or mixed fraction to the unlike fraction. So 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7 by 3 plus 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. Now take LCM of 3 and 4. So let's take LCM of 3 and 4. So here LCM will be 12. 3 4s are 12. So now make 7 by 3 with denominator 12. So here we should multiply with 4. So it is 28 by 12. And 5 by 4 is multiplied with 3. 15 by 12. Now add 28 by 12 and 15 by 12. So here we will add 28 and 15. 43 by 2. You can convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, or you can leave the answer up to this. This is also correct answer. Clear? Now next one, 5 2 by 3 plus 4 1 by 6. Again convert this into improper fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus, here how can we convert this into improper fraction? 5 3s are 15, 15 plus 2, 17 by 3 plus 4 6 are 24 plus 1, 25 by 6. Okay. Now take the LCM of 3 and 6. So let's take LCM of 3 and 6. So here LCM is what? 6. So here we should multiply 17 by 3. 3 is multiplied with 2 to get 6 here. Here already 6 is there, so no need to multiply. So you can directly multiply here also. 3 is multiplied with 2 to get LCM. Same in a numerator. Here already 6 is there, so no need to multiply with 9. Now 17 2s are 34 by 6 plus 25 by 6. Now 5 9 divided by 6. Here you can again convert this into mixed fraction, like so remainder is 5. Now write it clockwise. So here you can write it is 9 5 by 6. Clear? This is also you can write any else. Let's solve some example of subtraction of fraction. So here first 5 by 11 minus 2 by 5. So what we need to do? Take the LCM of 11 and 5. So here 5 ones are 5, 11 ones are 11. So LCM is 55. Okay. So here 11 is multiplied with 5 by 11. So to get 55 here we need to multiply 11 with 5. So same number in the numerator. So we have 25 by 55. 2 by 5 is multiplied. To get 55 here, 5 is multiplied with 11. So 2 is also multiplied with 11. 22 by 55. Now perform the subtraction. 23 by 50, 25 by 55 minus 22 by 55. So answer is 3 by 50. Okay. Now next 4 by 5 minus 1 by 3. So take LCM of 5 and 3. 3 ones are 3, 5 ones are 5. So LCM is 15. It means you need to get here 15. How we can get here 15? If we multiply 5 with 3. So same number we should multiply in the numerator. So it is 12 by 50. Now 1 by 3. How can we get here 15? If we multiply 3 with 5. So same number we should multiply in the numerator. Now 5 by 50. So these two are equivalent fraction, these two are equivalent fraction. Now perform this subtraction. 12 by 50 minus 5 by 50. So that is 7 by 50. So this will be our answer. Now next, these are the mixed fraction are given. 2 1 by 6 minus 1 1 by 4. So 6 2s are 18, 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13 by 6 minus 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3 by 2. Now LCM of 6 and 2. So here 3 2s are 6, 2 1s are 2. So here LCM is 6. Now here already denominator is 6 here. So you can multiply it with 1 or you can leave 13 by 6 as it is. So we will multiply 1 to get 6 and 3 by 2 is multiplied with 3. Now we have 13 by 6 minus 9 by 6. So 13 minus 9 whole divided 6 we can write. So it is 4 by 6. Now here you can cut the common factor. minus out the common factor 2. So it is 2 by 2. So this is our answer. Now next 6 1 by 3 minus 1 by 6. So here perform the multiply and addition. 6 3s are 18 plus 1 19 by 3 minus 1 by 6. Now LCM of 3 and 6. So here 2 3 1. So LCM is 6. So here 19 by 3. To get 6 here 3 is multiplied with 6. 3 is multiplied with 2 to get 6 here. So same number we should multiply in a numerator. 1 by 6 as it is, no need to multiply because already 6 is there. Now 19 2s are 38 by 6 minus 1 by 6. So 38 minus 1, that is 37 by 6. You can convert this into mixed fraction by dividing 37 by 6. 36. So remainder is 1. Write in a clockwise. So it is 6 1 by 6. So this will be our answer. Now let's solve some examples that is already given in your textbook. So here example 8. Subtract 3 by 4 from 5 by 6. Means from 5 by 6 you need to subtract 3 by 4. So we can write 5 by 6 minus 3 by 4. Be very careful whenever this kind of statement is given. You do not subtract 3 by 4 minus 5 by 6. Because it is written that from 5 by 6 subtract 3 by 4. So this is our first fraction and this is our second. So now here denominator are different. So what we need to take? Take the LCM of 4 and 6. So let's take LCM of 4 and 6. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 3. So here LCM will be 12. Now here we need to make LCM denominator is equal to LCM. So by what number we should multiply here? You can directly write here also. By what number we should multiply 6 to get 12? 2. So same in the numerator. And by what number we should multiply 4 to get 12? 3. So same in a numerator. Now it is 10 by 12 minus 9 by 2. So it is 1 by 3. You can directly write here also. Now next one, add 2 by 5 and 1 by 3. So here we can write 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. Now LCM of 3 and 5 because denominator are different. So here 3 and 5. So LCM is 15. 3 5s are 15. So here by what number we should multiply 5 to get 15? And by what number we should multiply 3 to get 15? 5 is multiplied with 3, so same in the numerator, and 3 is multiplied with 5, same in the numerator. And it is 6 by 15 plus 5 by 15. So add numerator 6 plus 5, 11 by 15. Clear? Now next one, simplify 3 by 5 minus 7 by 20. So here you can see the denominator are different. So first of all make denominator same by LCM. So here 2 10s are 20, again with 2 and 5. So here LCM will be 5 2s are 10, 2s are 20. So here we need to make denominator 20 in each. So here 5 is multiplied with 4 to get 20, 20 is multiplied with 1. So here we can write 3 by 5 is multiplied with 4 and 4 in the numerator and denominator. Here already 20 is there, so we should multiply only with 1. Now 12 by 20 minus 7 by 20. So here we get 5 by 20. Okay. Now next add 2 by 5 and 3 by 7. So we can write 2 by 5 plus 3 by 7. So here what we need to do? Here take the LCM of 5 and 7. 5 ones are 5, 7 ones are 7. So LCM is 30. Here to get 35 here we should multiply 5 with 7. So same number we should multiply in the numerator. And here to get LCM 35, 7 is multiplied with 5. So 3 is also multiplied with 5. Now 14 by 35 plus 15 by 35. Now add the numerator. So it is 29 by 30. Now next, subtract 2 by 5 from 5 by 7. So from 5 by 7, subtract 2 by 5. So let's start. 5 by 7 minus 2 by 5. Again, LCM is same as the previous one, that is 35. So here, 7 is multiplied with 5 and 5 is multiplied with 7. Now it is 25 by 35 minus 14 by 35. Now perform this subtraction. So you will get 11 by 30. So this will be our answer. Now next, here mixed fraction are given. Add 2 4 by 5 and 3 5 by 6. So convert this into first improper fraction. Multiply 5 2s are 10 plus 4, that is 40. And 6 3s are 18 plus 5, 23. Now LCM of 5 and 6. So let's take LCM of 5 and 6. First of all we start with 2. Now 5. So here LCM is 30. Now how can we get 30 here? By multiplying 5 with 6. So same in the numerator, 14 is also multiplied with 6 and 23 is multiplied with 5 and 6 is also multiplied with 5. 84 by 30 plus 115 by 30. Now add the numerator, that is 9, 199 by 30. You can convert this into mixed fraction. So we will get 619 by 30. Okay. Now example 12. So here 4 2 by 5 minus 2 1 by 5. First of all, we will convert this into mixed improper fraction. So 4 5 are 20 plus 2 22 by 5 minus 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11 by 5. Now you can see the denominator are already same. So directly you can write 22 minus 11. So it is 11 by 5. Clear? Now next one. Here 8 4s are 24. 32 plus 1 33 by 4 minus 6 2s are 12 plus 5 17 by 6. Now here denominator is 4 and 6, so take the LCM of 4 and 6. So LCM is 12. So here 4 is multiplied with 3 to get 12 here. So same in the numerator. And 6 is multiplied with 2. So same in a numerator. So it is 99 by 12 minus 34 by 12. Now perform the subtraction of numerator. 99 minus 34. So 65 by. Now convert this into mixed fraction. So here we have 5 by. Here this 10 example you need to write in homework, solve this and find the answer.